guys, welcome back to another Jungles Travels. Where am I at today? Well, right now I am at Lancaster University, just dropping my son back. And yeah, so I thought, while I'm up this end, this neck of the woods, why not go and explore Lancaster, the historic town of Lancaster. Yeah, so right now I'm going to go and find somewhere to park up for the evening, and then we'll have a wander around Lancaster, see what we can see what we can find. If I can't find anywhere nice to park up, Morecambe's not far away, so I can always head there. So let's leave this huge university campus, which is actually really stunning as well, and head to into Lancaster town centre. Join me as we go adventurising around Lancaster. Let's see what we can see. So just behind me there you can see the Turkish restaurant. Popped in there earlier with my lad, had a nice meal, as you can see. Beautiful place. Pretty cool. Do you know what? This actually reminds me of an Italian piazza. Check out them lamps. Reminds me of something out of Hogwarts or something. This. Right guys, that was a quick walk around Lancaster at night. I'm going to nip to the shop, get some food, because I've got no supplies in the van, and then I shall go and find somewhere to park up for the evening, either by the river or by the ocean in Morecambe. I haven't decided yet. But right now, van's there, and there's a Sainsbury's just across there, so I'm just going to nip to Sainsbury's. Now I'm trying to decide what aisle to go for. That's what's the alcohol free? I don't want that shit, do I? We've got some pretty fruity ones there, but I'm thinking the Camden. And it's not alcohol free, that'll do. Yep, I'll let it go. Right, there we go. Got all the shopping. Let's head back to the car. Sounds like something major's going down somewhere. Hope everybody's okay. Yeah. Fingers crossed, whatever it is. Right, back in the van. Shopping's got. So now I'm going to hit Google Maps. It's 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm going to hit Google Maps, see if I can find a nice park up somewhere, and then we'll take it from there. Am I going to do some cooking? Well, I was going to do some cooking. I've got a really great omelette planned, but as you saw from the pictures, yeah, I've already had some salmon, which was really nice. I don't know what, if anybody can tell me if you looked at the plate in the left corner, there's like a red kind of sauce with vegetables in. That was really, really nice. So tasty. Anyway, if anybody knows what that was, let me know. Looked like some kind of salsa, but really nice. Turkish salsa, maybe. Anyway, so yeah, find somewhere to park up and then, I don't know, chill, I suppose, because I'm not actually that hungry now. Might make something, you never know. So yeah, see you in a minute. Right, I've been looking for about 20 minutes now, and I think I found a nice spot by the ocean. And if that's shite, there is another potential spot near a marina, Glasson Bank I think it's called. So, but I'm going to try the ocean first at Morecambe base, like 10 minutes drive away, so we'll try there. Let's go to Morecambe. Well, as you can see, that's where I was going to park here. They've put big fucking stone boulders there, so we ain't parking there. Well, that kind of buggers that one up, doesn't it? So, plan B. Looks like I might be driving to Glasson Dock after all. It's a shame really, because it actually looks like it would have been a cool little spot. Got a couple of tyres dumped there, unfortunately. You probably won't be able to see them. Hang on a second. Yeah, so there's a couple of tyres dumped there, unfortunately, but it would have actually been a nice cool park up that. Apart from these big bloody stone boulders in the way. So never mind, on to the next one. What we're parking by the ocean by the look of it. They've ruined it for overnight camping. Ah well. Well, we've come into Morecambe, and as you can see, all the Christmas lights are still on. There's plenty of campers. There's loads of campers actually parked on the side of the road, just littered all the way down. So I think I'm going to park on the coastal road somewhere. I don't know where yet though. A little road, men running around, local ute, as they say. So I'm actually inside the Lifeboat Institute's car park, and it says the charges apply 10 AM to 6 PM. So technically it should be free parking now, and there's no restrictions. But I don't know if I fancy parking this close to the lights. I think I'm just going to head a bit further down and probably park at the side of the road. Although to be fair, this is probably not a bad spot, so I may come back here. We shall see. But I think I'm going to park further down the road where all the other campers are. Just safety in numbers, isn't it? You know what it's like if you're out camping in a van. You never know. Right, I think I found somewhere to park up. Next to the ocean in Morecambe. So I'm going to chill here. You can't really see much now, but in the morning should be a nice stunning view. Yeah, I'm just going to chill out for the evening now and sort some stuff out. So I'll see you guys shortly. Now, this is what happens if you don't prime your diesel pump for quite a while when you heat it. There's a lot of people going to be driving past thinking this van's fucked, but it's not. It's my diesel pump. It'll clean in a minute. Look at that, man. Woo! It's just cleaning out. Yeah, it clears in a few minutes. I've not run it for ages. Yeah. Yeah. I will do, buddy. Cheers. That is actually kicking a lot of smoke out. Police there. It's actually blowing warm air out, so that's not too bad. There you go, see, it's clearing up now. So if you look, the exhaust is under there. So that's clearing up now. Now I bet the police come back past and have a look again. Yeah. It was actually quite jolly about it, wasn't it? I just kind of smoked out at Morecambe, and the fucking van stinks now. But I am blowing warm air again. Yay! I think the problem was that last time I ran it, I ran out of diesel. So you give it an error A9 code, which I think is error 9, so it's low on fuel. So it needed to pull it back through, so I primed it. But yeah, I think the couple in the van behind me was probably looking at that as well, if you can see them behind. Right guys, quite settled for the evening now. The diesel heater's running nicely, ticking away on number 1. I'm actually roasting actually. I have to turn it off in a minute. Got my little can of Camden. I do miss Camden Market. Might actually go there again, but don't know when. But it would be nice to. But yeah, I'm going to drink my Camden, which is really nice, and watch a movie, I think. So I will see you guys in the morning. And then hopefully in the morning we should wake up to a nice ocean view. So yeah. But yeah, I thought it'd be really cold being near the ocean, but it's not. It's actually quite warm tonight. Anyway, hasta la vista. See you in the morning. Adios. Morning, people. Well, it's about 8:30 in the morning. Check out the view.
On it!
On it!
Oh, man, I got
on it! Happy guys? Check out that though. That is beautiful, isn't it? Adam?
You must be keen.
Cheerful chap. So, just over there is Grange over Sands. So I just sat by looking at the ocean and thought, oh no, what is that place? Apparently it's Grange over Sands. It should be quite interesting to visit one day, but not today. I was looking on Google Maps and just up the road, about half an hour away, is a place called Arnside Tower. So I think I'm going to head over there. So, Arnside Tower.
Morning.
Morning.
Room with a view, eh?
Hey, not bad, is it? So yeah, Arnside Tower, and then we'll check it out. So, I suppose I better get dressed, eh? It is beautiful here though. Apart from the traffic noise, quite a bit of traffic noise, but not too bad. Yeah, anyway, I will get dressed. Right guys, sun's shining, birds are singing. Let's hit the road and go to Arnside Tower. See what we can see up there. It actually looks really stunning, so hopefully you'll enjoy it as much as I will. Anyway, let's go. Right, a bit of a snag because I'm at a holiday park for some reason. So it looks like, looking at the map, Arnside Tower is up there. Arnside, I believe it's got. Ainsdale, Ainsclough, I forget. Anyway, some tower. But it looks like it's up there. And this is a holiday park. So I don't know. There's an overspill parking over there. Seems to have a few camper vans in it, so I might try and park over there and then take a walk up through the holiday park. Yeah, fuck it, let's do it. I don't know where I'm going. Nice place though, Silverdale have just come through. Really nice. Beautiful spots up here, I didn't even know was here. You think Morecambe, you always think a bit drab and dreary, the beach and Pebble Beach, but no, it's actually really nice. It surprised me. Right. I parked up in the overspill parking. So it should be up there. So I'm guessing it should be alright parking here. There's a couple of other camper vans parked there. There's no signs saying private property or anything like that. I'm guessing that's a public footpath. The amount of walkers I can see coming up, so yeah, we'll head up there and see what we can see. Arnside Tower, I think it's called. I always get this name wrong, terrible. Anyway, let's go check it out. Tell you what guys, this is actually a really nice caravan site. Check out the lodge there. Somebody's got a lot of money. But yeah, it is. It's a nice little site, this. Don't even know what it's called. See now, how's that for a perfect pitch? Check out that for a view. This is a really nice campsite, and I never even knew it was here. So it's somewhere in Silverdale. Won't be that hard to find. Just head for Arnside Tower, and you'll find the campsite. Awesome. Right, according to my sat nav, it should be where that bloke's walking. I think through that trees there. So yeah, just follow the path now. Just along there where that couple is. We're nearly there guys. I can just see the tower in the distance there. That was pretty impressive actually, wasn't it? Let's go check it out. You see it just through the trees? That's pretty cool, isn't it? Now, I've actually visited a fair few of these towers over the years. I've never seen one with a massive chunk of walls falling down. Makes you think, is it safe to walk in there? But it also gives you a bit of an idea as to its construction. Let's hope no other chunks fall down. Look at that. Where it just juts out like that. Dangerous building. Keep out. Now I'm looking at this and thinking this must have been some kind of staircase. Maybe a spiral one going up. Kind of looks like you can just see the spirals there. So they would have come round and then down through there. Gone all the way up, probably around the outside of it. Kind of like you can just see inside there as well. But look at the size of the doorways, the height. They must have been so tiny. It's like hobbits. It is kind of like something like Lord of the Rings, isn't it? It does kind of show you though how much our height has changed over the centuries. When you think like, what's this, probably 1300s, maybe later, 1500s. Doorways are about 5'6" or something, 5 foot. So it shows you the height of the people. Because they would have had the ingenuity to make them 6 foot high staircases, or 7 foot high, or whatever they wanted. Awesome. Must be the staircase in that corner as well. So that's like 1, 2, 3 staircases. Guessing there was probably a basement as well with a well in the middle or something. Nice though. Not a lot left of it though. Let's have a walk around the outside and see what we can see. Wow. That's beautiful, isn't it? Now I'm guessing that this is probably owned by the same people who have that farm there. What a beautiful place though. So, there you go, guys. Arnside Tower. What's left of it? You just see like the turret kind of effect that would have been on the top. Gorgeous. Can't give you any history on it because I've not actually done any research. It was only like a last minute thing that I saw it. Beautiful though. So if you actually look there, there's another big chunk of it falling down there as well, isn't there? Wouldn't mind betting a lot of the stone. It's probably in them stone walls somewhere. Beautiful though. Nice place. Well worth the half-hour drive to get here. Awesome. Right, I've just done a bit of a Google search and it turns out that this is one of the finest examples of a Cumbrian Pele tower, apparently. Built around the 14th to 15th century and then inhabited till sort of like mid 1600s. But then in I think 1860 it got severely damaged by a storm which resulted in that side collapsing. But prior to that, people had been ransacking it for the stone and the fittings, and apparently all the decorative stuff around the windows and the doors was long gone. But yeah, a fine example apparently. And apparently if you go up onto the top of the hill up there, you get some stunning views of it across the valley. So we'll take a little trek up on the hill. But there, a little bit of history on it for you. And yeah, a little bit of history on it for you. See, I was curious, so a bit of a Google search. Everybody loves Google, don't they? Tells you anything you want to know, and some stuff that you don't. Anyway, Arnside Tower. Well, that was a trek and a half. I'm in the middle of the forest that you're not supposed to be in, at the side of the tower, because I was just sending the drone up to do some wonderful drone shots for you. And being a bit of a shit pilot, I crashed into a tree. And then I've been trying to work out off the last shot from the drone. See it there? Basically, I've been trying to work out the skyline and the tree branches, try and work out which fucking tree it was in. So, 45 minutes later, I have found it. I thought it was in a big tree up there, but it turns out it was in one of the little ones here. But the branches look, on the phone the branches actually look really thick, but they're not. Anyway, crisis averted. So yeah, I've had enough of Arnside Tower now, so let's go back. See, fucking crawl for to get my drone back. Ah. Oh shit. Yeah, basically it was in the middle of there. Anyway, let's see what else we can see. A couple of ramblers over there wondering what the fuck I'm doing. Sometimes I wonder exactly the same thing. I'll tell you what, this touring park's actually a lot bigger than I expected. It spreads all the way up the hill. No idea where we're going. Up there somewhere. Check out the mushrooms. Them are some big ass mushrooms. By comparison, the size of my hand. Well, I don't know where the stunning view of the tower is supposed to be seen from. All I can see is the trees, but beautiful view of the ocean over there. That was worth the hike. Tell you what though, nearly came a cropper on these rocks, just fell over about that far away from smacking my face on one. Whew. Close. Anyway, beautiful, isn't it? Morecambe Bay. Nice. What a stunning view. Imagine a house here. Beautiful. Peaceful. Anyway, let's see what else we can find. And just so you know I wasn't joking about falling over, lovely shot of my kneecap there. Nice bit of a blood blister going on, and a bit of a gash on my wrist. Yeah. Ah well, the joys of vlogging, eh? Not too bad. Tell you what is annoying though, I've got fucking thorns stuck in me somewhere and I can't find them. You know when you can feel them prickling you? So annoying. Anyway, I'll enjoy the view for a minute and we'll crack on in a little bit. Well, goodbye, Arnside Tower. That was Eves Wood, by the way. E-A-V-E-S, Eves Wood. Where I went on my arse. Yeah. Arnside Tower. Might see you again one day. Hopefully. Anyway, let's head into the sunset and see what we can see. That's a beautiful sunset though, isn't it? Worth $1 million, that. There we go, back in the campsite. I think what I'm going to do now is try and find somewhere really nice to park and watch that sunset. Because that is just amazing. It's been so peaceful today. So yeah, back to the van and find a good park up. Right guys, beautiful sunset. I don't know about you guys, but I am starving. So, I did say I was going to show you a really nice omelette that I made the other day. But I'm going to have to save that one because I bought some burgers and some bacon, didn't I? Yesterday, and they need eating. So, not actually tried these ones, Meatless Farm. I've got to say though, right, this morning I had a bacon and egg sandwich. Well, bacon and egg. And veggie bacon, never really been impressed with. To be fair, most of it's shite. However, Richmond's. Now bear in mind, I think the sausages are crap, but the veggie bacon is actually alright. And it actually cooks, that's like cooking proper fat. And being as Richmond do actually do meat products, you kind of got to ask yourself, you know, they're trying to pull a fast one here. But we're assured it's vegetarian, so I'm going to do some bacon cheeseburgers. So I've got my 2 burgers, got my bacon, or bacon cheeseburgers, well bacon cheese burgers, because they're fake burgers as well, aren't they? So anyway, bacon cheeseburgers. Got some Polish cheese slices that I picked up, and lettuce to go on top, bit of garnish. It's alright. So, on with the cooking, because I'm bloody starving. I'm going to do them in the old fake ridge monkey. See, everything's fake in this van, apart from me. What am I looking for now? Oil, cooking oil. Bit of garlic oil. I've only got a little bit left, so we have to make sure we don't burn that out. So buy some more of that, and we won't need the burgers. Not too bad. Yeah. I think my van's on a bit of a tilt because the oil's not central. That's the only problem, isn't it, with oil camping? Look at that. Beautiful. Nice big chunky bits of mushroom in there as well. Oh, it's beautiful that, doesn't it? Look at that. I'll tell you what, them burgers actually look quite nice. Yum yum. Right, I think we need to get a bit of this bacon in here now, don't we? See, it actually feels like real bacon as well, which is really weird. Because usually fake bacon doesn't feel as greasy. But this has even got that greasiness of bacon, which is slightly strange. Right. Put them in there like that, and then we cover it up. It should, when we flip it, it should cook it. Awesome. And as I'm running out of oil, I've got some of this stuff. Fry light, compliments of the beach woods about 6 months ago. Get a bit of that in there. And then give it a flip. Not too bad. Right, for the bread we'll be having cheese topped rolls. I've got some galley rolls in there as well, but we'll just go with cheese top. Can't beat a good cheese top roll. Not the strongest smelling cheese that I've smelt on them, but at least it's not burnt. Yep. Oh, look at that. See now, have a look at this, right? See what I mean about the way it sizzles like bacon? It even sounds like and smells like proper bacon. See what I mean? I'm just not sure if it's actually fake, and whether Richmond's are just pulling a fast one and saying it's fake. Yeah. Anyway, either way, I'll enjoy it. You know, look how nice them ridges are, where it's been burned against that. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. Right, I think what we need to do now is get some of this holy cheese. Pop it on there, like so. Why did I buy Polish cheese? No idea. I just like the look of it. Looks alright. There you go. Let that melt in there. Beautiful. There you go, guys. I think that is pretty much done. Looks good to me. Look how nice that cheese is melted. Ooh. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this. Damn, that stringy cheese. Right. Cheese. There's my bacon. There's mushroom and onion. Ah, get on there. There you go, guys. Beautiful. Vegetarian cheeseburgers. Bit of barbecue sauce on. Bit of lettuce. So guys, perfect. 2 veggie cheeseburgers. Beautiful. Right guys, so I'm going to demolish these and carry on watching the rest of that wonderful view there. Just last glimpses of the sun setting. Beautiful. Right, stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. We've seen some interesting things. Bit of Lancaster, Arnside Tower, bit of Morecambe. But yeah, I will see you guys next time. Stay safe, stay happy. Where will we end up next time? Who knows? Tune in and find out. Adioski.